We've got ensuite bathroom number 1, floors all colour sealed as per usual, silicone all the way around, the basin sink area, colour seal on the shower wetted wall zone all the way around, new grout just drying at the moment, but new grout in the base of the shower, and silicone all the way around the base and edges of that bathroom. So that's bathroom ensuite number 1. We'll come back through into the cleaners are just about to come in here, so it's 1 o'clock on Monday the 30th. Bathroom number 2, same thing, silicone all the way around the base, floor colour sealed as per usual with scope, new silicone around the basin, bench tops, etc. Colour seal all the way around the base of the shower walls, new grout in the base of the shower floor, colour sealed shower walls in the wetted zone, all as per scope.